Hi everyone. So today we are going to compare each Qwen 2.5 coder models. So we have the 32B, the 14B, the 3B, the 7B, which I don't know where it is, but I have downloaded it. We have the 1.5B, the 0.5B. So we will ask them this question to see how they perform. So let's get started. I will start with the most smaller one. Let's ask it. It's insanely fast because it's on my 3090. So I'm going to copy it, going to Visual Studio, paste it, and check if it's working. Enter a move. 1, 2. It's tie. Okay, so I don't really know how it's working, but doesn't seem quite good. So I'm going to copy paste this. Maybe he will help. Okay. So in the comment of the last video, I was asked to try to make the model correct itself. So right here it's not working. So that's a fail for the 0.5b. I'm not going to test the other one because I know that it will fail. Now let's try with the 1.5b and ask him the same question. So I'm going to edit, send, and see what it will generate. Let's copy it, paste it. Okay, so a much nicer UI. We can enter the row. So for example, 1, 1. Okay, it's working. 0, 0. Okay, really nice. I'm going to say the row will be the 0, the 1, then the row will be the 1, and the 0. I will try to win. So the row will be 2 and 1. And normally I should have win. I don't know why it's not working. So 1, 2. Okay, so I won. So it is working well for the 1.5b model, which is way ahead the 0.5b. So now that it is working, let's try to make the snake game. Okay, let's paste it and see what he will do. Because the code is much longer than the previous one, obviously because it's a more complicated game. Let's run it. Oh, so as you can see, it's not working. I'm going to give it a second chance by giving the error and see if it will be able to correct itself. Let's copy, paste, and see if it's working. Okay. Oh, it is working indeed. But we can't take the food. Okay, so, and we can lose, but we can't take the food. I'm going to ask him to try to pick the food. I can't pick up the food. Let's see if it will be able to correct the issue. So the 1.5b seems to be able to create a game, but we need to ask him a lot of time to correct itself, and it's not always working well. So that's a fail. Now let's try with a bigger model. So let's switch to a 3B and see what he will be able to create. I I think it will be able to make the snake game. But let's try. Let's copy, paste. Okay, so much nicer. Can we pick the... Yeah, we can pick the food. Okay, working. Can we collapse into ourselves? Yeah, we can. So it is working well. Let's ask him to add a score. Add a score. And make it beautiful. And make the whole game beautiful. Let's see what he will be able to generate. Nice. Copy, paste. Oh, it's not working. We need a background music. I'm going to comment this part because unfortunately I don't have a music. It's... Yeah. Oh, we have a menu, which is quite nice. We can start. We have a score, but I think the issue is that the background is green and also the food. So the background is the same color as the food, so I can't see the food. But it's quite impressive for only 3B model. I was not expecting that. Let's see what he will be able to generate. Okay, let's comment for the music right here and run it. So now it's another color. We have a menu. Do we have a ending? Okay, so it's the same ending, but yeah, quite nice. So it is able to create this game. So now let's try to ask him for the Pac-Man game. I think he will not be able to pass this test, but let's see anyway. I'm going to copy it, paste it, run it. So we get the first error. Let's see if he will be able to correct itself. Okay. We need to edit this part, map data, which is right here. Oh, we still have an issue. It will not work. Map data. Let's try with this one. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working. Okay, so that's a fail. Now let's try with the 7B model. Let's try with it. Create the Pac-Man game. And if we can make it, maybe I will try to make a sort of Mario game, because I wasn't expected the models to be that good. So let's paste and run it. Oh, nice! But it's the Pac-Man is a little bit strange. I think this should be the ghosts with the red dots. We can eat, but it's not really looking like. Uh, um, so I'm going to make it more close to the original. Add walls, score, etc. Let's see what he will be able to make. Okay, let's try. Oh, it's not working. Let's see if he will be able to correct itself. By the way, for me, OpenWeb UI is incredibly beautiful. I really love this interface. Okay, so it's not working. I think the limit of the 7B model is right here. So he will be able to generate a Snake game, but not really a Pac-Man game. So let's try with a level up. Let's try with the 14B model. Let's ask him the same question and see what he will be able to create. So as you can see, it starts to be slower than the previous model at generating because it's 2 times bigger. The code seems really short. I don't think it will work. We can just move. We don't have any walls or anything like that. So add walls and ghosts. Um, collectibles and score. Let's see what he will create. I'm wondering how much tokens per second we are getting with this model. I'm in 3090. So let's see. We have 50 tokens per second. Yeah. So that's really usable, but seems to be in the medium size. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's quite strange of a map, but the functionalities are seems to be here. I'm going to ask him to create another level, more, make it closer to the original. Let's see. Okay, so it is creating a map, and I think he will use this map to create the level. We have a debug. Yeah, it's quite a long code, in fact. it's yeah, it's like 250 lines. Let's try it. Oh no, it's not working because we are missing some files. So I'm going to comment them. Okay, so it's not working. So we are hitting the limits of this model. Let's try with the best model. In my tests, in my previous tests, in my previous videos, it was the most powerful open source model, really in any sizes. It's better than the Llama 405B. It's for me it was a little bit better than GPT 4.0, but obviously it's on par with the performances of Claude 3.5 Sonnet New. But for me, Claude 3.5 Sonnet New is still a little bit better than this model, but really not that much. So let's try. So we have the same. Yeah, it's not really a Pac-Man game, isn't it? Add add walls, ghost, and collectibles and score. Strangely, it doesn't seem that slower compared to the 14B model. I don't really know why, but maybe I will be able to figure it out. I don't know. Let's see the usage. We are using. Oh, so we are using almost all the memory, the VRAM, and it's because it is uh, uh, it's like 19 gigabytes, I think. The 32 billion parameter is like 19 gigabytes. You can see each sizes in terms of disk space. Oh, I forgot to to close this one, but it's so tiny. It's like 500 megabytes, so small. Let's copy it and see. Okay, so it crashed. Let's ask him to correct itself. So check dimensions. Grid. So where is the grid? Grid height. Okay. Verify maze consistency. Print debugs. Just checklist comprehensions. Palettes. Okay. So copy this right here. For rows in maze. Where is this? Print row. Oh, what is this? Okay, I don't know. Pellets. Pellets is here. Okay, let's try. I don't think it will correct the bug. So list out of range for X. Let's copy, see where it is. Where is the issue? XY. Where is it? In pellets. So right here. Uh, yeah, I think that's a fail. So we discovered that tic-tac-toe is easy. Even a 1.5B model is able to do it. The snake game is a little bit harder. Uh, a 3B model was able to make it kind of work. A Pac-Man game is really difficult. Even the best model has really struggled to make it work. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, you can maybe leave a like and a comment. If you have any suggestions for the following videos, ideas that you want me to do, for example, try other models, try quantization, make a video to explain specific topics, feel free to leave it in the comment section. If you want to, if you dislike the video, leave a dislike. I don't care. Uh, if you want to be notified when I will post other videos, feel free to subscribe because often I post a video like 5 hours after a big release, so you will be notified extremely fast. So I hope you a very nice day and uh, and have a good time. Bye bye.